Then we see the third disaster, that is the storm. It is on your page number 28. Okay, in the textbook it is on the page number 28. Next disaster is the storms. So here how the storms are formed. See here, the formation of high and low air pressure belts in the atmosphere causes change in weather, resulting in a strong winds and storms. We know air get flow in the atmosphere depending upon their speed. Okay, if there what happen, the flowing of air is depending upon the pressure. Okay, also there is atmospheric pressure, means air exerts pressure in the on the objects which are present in that place. So here what happened, there is a formation of high and low air pressure. So here pressure of the air will be different at different places. If we see it, there is a cool air. If there is a air is cool, means temperature of air is low, then it exerts a large pressure. Okay, in the cool region what happened, air pressure is high, and due to this low pressure, low and high pressure what happen, such type of belts are formed, that is high and low pressure belts are formed. And due to this high and low pressure belts, atmosphere causes a changes in weather. There is a change in weather takes place, and due to this change in weather, such type of storms are formed, that is strong wind and strong winds or storms are occurred. Wind means there is a blowing of air in a fast speed. Such blowing of air with a fast speed we call, these are the storms or the winds. Okay, if there is a speed of blowing of these winds is high, then such type of blowing winds we call, these are the storms. Okay, why these storms are occurred, because of high and low air pressures belt are formed in the atmosphere, and due to this high and low difference in air pressure, there is a formation of such type of strong winds or storms. Okay, so in that way we see how the storms are formed. So here we see the next point, effects of storm. What happened due to these large storms or such type of storms are occurred in a particular region. So here we see one by one which effects are there. There is a great damage in the storm affected region, means if there is a, in some places in our country or on the any space on the earth, then what happened, there is a strong damage occurred or great damage occurred, or with the property like houses, buildings. Okay, so in that way there is a strong damage. If the houses are very weak, that is a like a which is made up of wooden, okay, means depending upon the which material are used for formation of house. So such type of houses will get damaged due to such type of strong winds, are also we call storm. So another effect is tremendous loss of to the life and property. Also there is a loss of property and life will be occurred. See here how these houses will get damaged, vehicles also get damaged due to this heavy storms. Okay, and also some properties like buildings, some industries are there, some social places are there. Okay, hospitals. So also we see the railway track, roads. So these will get abrupted due to this strong winds. So here disruption of electric supply, there is a breaking of electric wire takes place. So due to there is a destruction of electric supply takes place. We know in the stormy weather the light will be switched off at our home due to there is a supply of electricity gets stopped due to breaking of such wires. Okay, electric wires. So there is a disruption, means there is a destruction or there is a problem will be occur to supply the electricity to hold the cities due to such type of strong storms. Okay, or winds. So here this is the effect of storms. Another effect is disruptions of, disruption means there is a uh, defect or there is a problem will arises due to the storm, uh, because of transport and communication will be damaged. Why the communication will damage, because nowadays we communicate with the help of our mobile phones. Okay, landline phones. Also communication will be damaged due to the damage of railway tracks, roads, highways due to this such storms. So in that way there is a disruption of, there is a no contact, there is a problem for the contact between the peoples because of this damage of electric supply, transport and communication. So in that way we see the effects of storm. Okay, so here we study the how the storms will be occur and what are the effects of storms. Okay, so the next disaster, that is the forest fires. We see the next disaster in your textbook, that is the forest fire. Okay, a forest fire is an uncontrolled fire in a forest, a pasture or grassland due to the natural or man-made causes. So here what happened, there is a damage of forest life takes place. We know in forest there are variety of plants are there, also variety of animals, birds are there. So when there is a forest catches fire, due to this fire, this fire become uncontrolled, it gets spread to whole in the forest. So due to this what happened, there is a damage of this grassland and also some animals will be takes place due to this forest fire. Okay, so here what happened, tremendous fire spread at a tremendous speed. This fire will catches in a very, within a very short time, whole the forest will get fired. Okay, so this is called forest fire disaster. Okay, so here what are the effects of this forest fire. See here, this is the forest fire, and this forest fire is due to the man-made activities, or also it is maybe natural, means causes of forest fire, it may be natural, means natural forest, natural catching of the fire in the forest takes place. Also there is another reason, that is it may be man-made reasons due to catches the forest fire. Okay, so into this what happened, this fire catches in a tremendous speed, means in a within a very short period, whole forest will get damaged due to this fire. Okay, because this fire gets spread in a very short period of time. So here we see the effects of fire. Great damage to the natural wealth and biodiversity. Biodiversity means we see the varieties of animals, birds and plants in the forest. So this variety will get damaged, or it will be get die due to this forest fire. And also due to this fire, air will be get polluted. So these are some effects of this forest fire. Then we see the next point. Can you tell how many children are there in your class at a present? And what would happen if 5 times this number sat in your class? Means if your class contains 30 students, if we multiply them 30 by the 5, then how much will be number? That is, it will be a 150. Okay, means now your class contain 150 students. So which kind of disaster can occur in an extremely crowded place? So here you think about that, what happen if there is a number of students increased as the capacity of your classroom. So what type of problems or events will be occurred in your classroom due to such extreme crowded place? So think about that and try to answer. Okay, so here we see the uh, next point, that is the disaster management. First we have to know what is the disaster management. See here, in this box they gives us what is the disaster management. Community participation and disaster management are closely related. Okay, means which concepts or which factors are closely related to one another. Community participation means people will have to participate in such type of management, and disaster managements are closely related. Taking steps to prevent disasters, making plans to face disasters and developing the capacity for that is called disaster management. First we have to know what is the process of disaster management, or which process we call it is the disaster management. In that management, here take a such type of steps, means do such type of activities that prevents the disasters, means this helps to, there is a less possibility of occurring such type of disasters. Okay, so here some plans will have to be made for facing such type of if there are such type of disasters will be occurred. In that condition, which types of plans will be there for developing the capacity for that. So such type of all the activities which are included to face such disaster problems, and also there are some activities which helps to prevent possibilities of occurring such disaster. Okay, all these activities are included in the disaster management. And to prevent or reduce the damage caused by natural or man-made disasters, emergency planning and management is required. If there is a such type of disasters will be occurred, like it may be man-made or natural disaster, so in that condition there are ready plan or very fast, you should have to planning how we face such type of problems, or some managements will be there to face the all this problem, okay, which is occurred due to this disasters. So here we see how the disaster managements are takes place by the images. See here, community participation means people should have participate in such type of activities, means people should have helps to the another peoples which are affected by these all the types of disasters. Okay, so in that way it is most important, that is the participation of the community, means participation of number of peoples to helps to the another peoples which are affected by such type of disasters. Okay, so here we see we have to help the injured peoples also, we have to take part in such type of activities. So here are we see in which way we participate for such activities.